What is up, everybody? It's Chicago. I'm just going to be doing a quick trade recap for you guys. I plan on doing these each and every day. I want to show you guys exactly how I trade live. I do this live every day inside my Discord server. I literally share my screen just like you see right now. I basically tell everybody when I'm entering, when I'm exiting, why I'm entering, why I'm exiting, my reasoning behind it. I basically show you guys my strategy in action every single day. So if you guys want to see more of these free trade recaps, just let me know in the comments down below. I really just want to see y'all's feedback if these are boring or if they need to be more entertaining. I just want to make this as informative as possible and just show you guys exactly how I think and how I trade. So today is Thursday, February 6th, and coming into the market, this is right before the market opened. I didn't have any type of bias. I just wanted to see what price was going to do off of open. Were we going to break out above? Were we going to respect these bearish levels? Were we going to break down below these bullish levels? I obviously didn't know what we were going to do, so I just waited for price to do what it did. At open, as you can see, a nice strong displacement below these bullish levels. Now for me, looking at the market, I'm looking for one of two things. I'm either looking for my signature setup, a part of my clockwork model. If you don't know what that is or you want to learn more about it, I have a free 22-minute video. It's all about it. It's going to be in the link down below. Or I'm going to be looking for another model, which I haven't really talked about too much on YouTube, but basically that model is what I traded today. So right after open, I was just looking for an A+ setup, and then what caught my attention was this 836 level. Now, full disclosure, on the right side I have the ES chart, on the left side I have the NQ chart. Typically, since they correlate, I like looking at both because if I see a similarity in an area where we're at in price action, for example, let's say ES is at a bearish level and NQ is at a bearish level, that will strengthen my conviction to go short, and vice versa. If we're at a bullish level on NQ and a bullish level on ES, that strengthens my conviction to go long. But for this particular scenario, right after open, this really caught my eye. As you can see on NQ, we didn't really have huge levels nearby, and the same thing with ES, we didn't have any huge levels nearby as well. So in comparison to these levels, obviously this huge triple digit level is going to catch my eye. Now for those of you that don't know, these labels on this indicator that are on these levels, they basically indicate how strong or how weak a level is. Now to make it as simple as possible, just view double digit levels as kind of the same strength, and then triple digit levels are really where that strength gets taken to another level. Now for me, on the 1 minute time frame, if I see a triple digit level, usually I categorize into different tiers. So anything like this, like a 166 level, anywhere from 100 to 250, that is decently strong. And then once you start getting from like 250 to 500, it's a little stronger. But anytime I see a level above 500, that tells you that there's a lot of volume, there's a lot of activity at that area. And literally a perfect example is 576 level. The last time it was tested right here, y'all can see exactly what happened after that. So I saw this 836 level get made, and I wanted price to tap it, show that it was validated by some sort of rejection, and then take shorts whenever that rejection came, and then target some downside. So fast forward a little bit, we tapped this bullish green level, which we delivered off of, and then finally we tapped this 836 level. Now it's hard to show it in replay mode, but I went short right around here. That's where the first rejection was, so I set my stop loss to 3.5 points, and then my final take profit right around 16 points. And before I show y'all what happened, one thing to note is, remember what I said before, I like to see NQ and ES at the same areas of rejection or the same areas where a bounce could happen. So at the same time that ES was at this 836 level, we saw NQ at this 26 level. Obviously it's not as huge, but it's still an extra confluence. So that gave me added confluence to go short. I went short, and it took a little bit of a while, but eventually we hit our final take profit. Now I took profit along the way, along this dump right here. I took profit about 2 or 3 times, and then I held my final runner for this final take profit. Now I know it may seem a little too simple, but literally this is how simple this particular model is. I see a large plus 500 level. I wait for price action to show me that that level is validated. I take my position, and then I set my final take profit where I need to. And the great thing is that this has a very high win rate. Now it's not going to happen every single day. It's going to happen a little bit more rare than my original model, but these levels are so efficient and they work so well that I literally don't care if I stop out, because I know it's going to be once in a blue moon. So yeah, pretty simple today, one and done. I just took this trade and I left the VC. If you want to test these setups for yourself and trade the same way that I do, the first link in my bio is going to be to this indicator so you can claim it for yourself, because literally this is the basis of my strategy and it's how I get a deeper edge into the market. Like I said, I trade live every single day using this strategy, using this indicator. If you want to join the team and see how I trade live so you can take the same exact trades that I do, that's going to be the second link in the description down below. So I hope you guys enjoy this trade recap. If you guys want to see more of these, just let me know in the comments down below. Give me any sort of feedback, suggestions y'all have for the channel. But if you guys like these and you want to see more, I will be doing these every single day. But if you guys don't enjoy these and they're just not helping, I'm gonna just stop doing it. But yeah, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.